Welcome to the explainer of production part approval process, a vital process in supply chain quality management. Let's start with the fundamentals first. What is the definition? PPAP, in short, ensures suppliers consistently meet customer specs, validating their ability to consistently produce parts meeting requirements. What is the process? Step 1. Initialization. This is the starting point, determining the qualification reason, such as new supplier, new manufacturing location, or design changes. Step 2. Process Qualification Plan, PQP. Now it is time to define specific requirements, including PPAP level and required elements. PQP includes internal agreements on design and qualification standards. Step 3. Part Submission Warrant, PSW. PSW serves as the bridge between suppliers and customers, detailing the qualification plan timelines, technical requirements, and fostering transparent collaboration. Step 4. At supplier stage. Here's where suppliers take center stage. Executing qualification activities per PQP. This includes producing sample parts, preparing documentation, and fulfilling all necessary PPAP requirements. Step 5. PPAP review. Now, it's time to review supplier outcomes, including inspecting first article inspection samples to ensure compliance with requirements and address issues promptly. Sample parts are typically physically checked, and production life tests may also be conducted. Step 6. Final approval. So we've reached the end of our journey. If everything has proceeded as planned, the process can be officially finalized. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Please subscribe to our channel, like, and share. Get more at www.suppliersplatform.com.